This is caught. Can you, even me, can you see it's caught? And then turn from the outside. No, she's small. You watch me here. Because you are small, can you see? Can you see this is caught? So same as that Jim was asking me, when we make certain moves, we go all the way here, and then we go all the way here. Why? When even many years later, you have to do the large circles once in a while to feel how the inside moves. Once you understand it, let's see here, can you see it's from here? Go behind me and hold me here. Oh, no, you wait here. Hold me here. Yeah. And now you touch here and here. So it's not this way. Now you follow me, don't
follow.
You follow to feel. This is how we normally do it.
Right.
And especially here, can you see that?
Right.
But when it's very, very large, can you see what happens? The circle is inside. And you cannot do that if we're this close. It won't turn.
Right.
Yeah. But over here it's so open, so flat, the turn has no size. Over here the turn would be this big. So the inside is the opposite of the outside. The inside is that the smaller it is, the larger it is. So did you understand the words? Like there's no confusion. I didn't make a mistake saying that. When it's inside, the smaller it is, the larger it is, translates into your fingertips.
What are you referring to inside?
The rotation. So here, no. See, do it again.
What's the inside?
Yeah. This is outside, this is inside. This is outside, this is inside. So there are different levels. So overall, my head, my 2 feet, my 2 hands are outside. Everything else is inside. But over here, if you just look, don't move, this is outside, this is inside. This is altogether outside, this is inside.
It's all relative.
Yeah, so all relative. So the further you go inside, you see here, you go closer and this one move up. Now you feel here, and then your palm push down, select one spot, and here, those two are the inside. The rest of your fingers are outside. So when the inside is very small, it means large. So watch, feel, okay? And watch over there. See that little move? It translates into a very large move. But if the inside is big, watch what happens. There's no move there. There's no move there. So once in a while, you have to, at the very beginning, everybody, like the suggestion I have for the next 3 months, when you train here and when you go home, just some moves. At the beginning, we're just learning the choreography. So after 3 months, you should be able to go like this. And you should be roughly right. You don't have to work too much on the details. But see the size here? The size. You must have this all stretched out. Can you see fully stretched out? Every move. So you must experience every joint being stretched. To be very serious, you have to do this for at least 3 years. That the memory of how the inside is stretched, like this here. If you're here, can you see there's no movement? The inside totally is stretched out. So you must do this in a way that forever you remember how the inside moves. And then it becomes, later on it becomes, when you move them, that's reality. When you force yourself to be large to move them, that's trying to experience it. It's not real. So when it's small, now you feel, can you see? Already did it. So it's not here anymore. And over here, can You see it's all from inside. It's not like that. So this is level 1. Everybody must be there. So you actually can say, if you've done this for 3 years, 6 years, in the future you can do it like this. Because my inside knows what to do. Okay. Do a large one. Okay. Stretch a little bit bigger than your normal to feel this stretch.